Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title of this video, today we are making jerk chicken Rasta pasta. If this is something that you're interested in learning how to make, stay tuned for the rest of the video after the intro to see how I prepare this dish.
Every single day I'm gonna make something great.
So you'll need some garlic. I have 4 cloves of garlic chopped here. You'll also need bell peppers. I have yellow bell peppers, green bell pepper, and red bell peppers. You'll need some penne pasta. For your Alfredo sauce, if you're going to make it from scratch, you need some heavy whipped cream and Parmesan cheese. I will also be adding some Ragu, tomato, garlic, and onion sauce, just for the coloring really. And I have here in my container about 6 chicken breasts that I cut up in strips, seasoned with walkerswood jerk seasoning, and place it in the fridge to marinate overnight. These are basically what you will need to make this dish. First step is to cook the chicken breast strips. I am using 2 tablespoons of butter. You can use oil if you would prefer to use oil to cook your chicken strips, but I am using butter. All this gravy or this juice that was made by the chicken, we are going to be using it in our Alfredo sauce as well. Just going to remove the chicken strips and reduce the gravy so that it gets thick and use it in the sauce. Okay, the sauce is thick enough for my liking, so I'm going to remove it from the pot. Set it aside to use later on. Now to cook our pasta, we're just going to follow the instructions on the box as to how you cook your pasta. I'm cooking it for 11 minutes. Drain your pasta and run it under cold water. By doing this, you're shocking the pasta and stopping the pasta from overcooking. Time to make the Alfredo sauce. So what you need is some butter first. I have 2 tablespoons of butter here. I'm just going to go ahead and melt that and then add our garlic to that. Saute them on medium heat for about 30 seconds and then we start adding our heavy cream. Still on medium heat, we're going to go ahead and start adding our Parmesan cheese. Gonna use a whisk to mix everything together, the cheese and the heavy cream, and then I'm going to be adding some all-purpose seasoning to the sauce along with some salt Not going to over season the sauce because I'm going to add the jerk chicken gravy or sauce from the chicken breast to the Alfredo sauce that I'm making right now, so I'm not going too crazy with how much seasoning I'm putting inside the sauce. Now for this part, I don't have a set measurement as to how much marinara sauce you should use. I am going to be adding enough marinara sauce until I get the desired color that I'm looking for. So it's all up to you as to how much you would like to use in your sauce. Sauce is complete. Gonna go ahead and add our pasta back to the sauce, and then we're gonna add our chicken and all the other ingredients, and I'll show you the finished product at the end of the video. There you have it. My jerk chicken Rasta pasta is complete. Now when you're serving this, you can add more Parmesan cheese if you would like, but for me, I'll just be eating it just as is. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching. Bye.